Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to share my top 10 pink nude lipstick that are suitable for brown NC42 skin. If you are somewhere around NC38 to 44 skin, I think these lip shades is going to look fabulous, flattering on you. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. Alright, so the first one is Sugar Cosmetics Glide Peptide Serum Lipstick in the shade Parisian Pink. It is a warm pink color going to suit most of our brown skin tones. Coming to the formulation is very comfortable and it's creamy. It glides on like butter in one swipe. You have seen the pigmentation. It covered my dark pigmented lip just in one go, and just because it is infused with peptide and lot other skincare benefit, it is going to make sure that you get a fuller and plumper lips. Also, it keeps your lips hydrated, nourished for really long time, and also the lip shade or the lipstick doesn't settle in my lip lines. However, these kind of creamy matte lipstick is not very long wearing. I can say that if you blot the excess, it is going to give you a very beautiful matte transfer resistant lip color, but it is not going to last your heavy oily meals. It does not dry out my lips, it does not tug or pull my lips. However, it is always advisable to hydrate, prep and prime your lips before using any kind of lipstick formulation. Next is Mars Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Zesty Zumba, a beautiful berry pink shade with lot of brown undertones to it. You can see how beautiful the shade looks on me without any lip liner. And by the way, this is one of my favorite shade. It is my everyday nude shade which I love to wear it on my bare skin and with makeup on. If you're interested how actually it looks on my bare skin, then you can head on to my description box for an in-depth review. The formulation is very much comfortable. It's creamy, glides on easily, and it just covers my dark lips just in one go. It's very much lightweight, non-sticky, non-drying, and it stays put for really long time. This is a kind of transfer proof formula that you'll have to give some time to set, but it is not 100% budge proof or kiss proof. It does come off ever so slightly from the inner part of my lips if I'm having any heavy meals. With light meals, the lipstick stays put and you can retouch up whenever you want to. Removing these lipstick is very easy, and even after I remove these lipstick, I have never experienced my lips feeling dry or stretchy in any way. Next is Milani Color Fetish Matte Lipstick in the shade Passion, a very beautiful soft burgundy shade with lot of brown tones to it, which makes it again perfect for Indian brown skin tones. It just enlightened, brightened my entire face, and this is a creamy matte lipstick that goes on creamy like butter, covers my dark lips. It has one swipe opaque pigmentation and it feels absolutely lightweight, non-sticky and very much moisturizing on the lips. Now, because it is a creamy matte, it is supposed to not be very long wearing, but if you want to make it matte, you can blot it out with a tissue paper and it is going to give you a much mattified look that is kind of transfer resistant. But if you're having any kind of oily meals, definitely it is going to make a difference, and the lipstick feels absolutely hydrating, you guys. And even after the lipstick wears off, I can totally feel the moisturization on my lips. It looks beautiful with this outfit, you guys, and this is a perfect shade that everyone must have in their collection. Next is my absolute favorite lipstick formulation. It is Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Midtown Pink, a very beautiful peachy pink shade with lot of brown tones to it, which makes it apt for our Indian skin tone, especially brown skin. This is my perfect everyday nude shade when I'm wearing a full glam makeup on. I love to wear these kind of lipsticks, especially in the summers, because I love to keep my lips hydrated, and this formulation does that job. It is very moisturizing, very hydrating on the lips. It is creamy formula, so it is not very long wearing. However, reapplication is very easy, you guys, and if you do not like these kind of satiny finish going on, you can blot the excess with a tissue paper to give you that mattified look. With light meals here and there, still I can make this lipstick survive on my lips, but with heavy meals, definitely it is going to come off. I don't even need a lip liner if I'm wearing a full glam makeup on. However, I don't like to use nude lipstick on my bare skin because it washes me off for obvious reasons. Next is Inside Cosmetics Super Stay Lipstick in the shade Tatiana, a very beautiful brown burgundy shade, perfect for our brown skin girls. If you're tan to deeper skin tone, this shade is going to look perfect on you. And this is a creamy formulation that goes on matte when freshly applied and settles down to a complete matte transfer proof formulation that is budge proof, kiss proof and transfer proof. However, it is a kind of long wearing, like for 7 to 8 hours it was there on my lips. It feels heavy initially when you apply it, but once it settles down it feels absolutely as light as air. It does not settle in my lip lines, kind of give me a very velvety effect to the lips, which I absolutely love about this Superstay lipstick. And these lipstick are very old formulation from Inside Cosmetics. I have already done an in-depth review giving the swatches of 4 to 5 shades. If you're interested, please visit my channel, you guys. If you're a lipstick lover and if you're brown skin and your undertone and your shade matches with my skin tone, I think you should visit my channel once. And the next is Mars Matte Muse Mousse Lipstick in the shade Winner Woman, which is a gorgeous Indian Rani Pink shade, perfect for our Indian skin tone. I have also heard people calling it a dupe for Romance, but I don't agree to that. If you're interested why I don't agree, you will have to watch an in-depth review which is already up on my channel. Coming to the formulation, I feel it's very thick and heavy and very silicone on the lips, and it is not even transfer proof, smudge proof or budge proof. If I'm having my meals with this lipstick on, it is going to smear everywhere all over my mouth, and it makes it very bad. Like there are stains of this lipstick all over my mouth. I did not like the formulation, though I can say it gives you that blurred out look which does not settle in your lip line in any ways. However, if you're planning to wear these kind of formulation, you know the drill that you will have to exfoliate your lips pretty well, hydrate and moisturize your lips, otherwise it is going to exaggerate or accentuate all the texture, dry patches and make it look very worse. Now you do not have to do tons of thing to remove this lipstick because you know this comes off very easily, you guys. Next is Inside Cosmetics Smudge Free Lip Mud in the shade Twilight, one of my favorite lip shade, you guys. It is such a beautiful warm pink shade with little bit of brown tones to it. It has a moussey like texture that goes on evenly. Even the applicator is such beautifully made that it hugs the lips and covers the lips just in one go, and it is 100% smudge proof, transfer proof, budge proof, kiss proof formulation, and it is long wearing formulation because I have worn this for 7 to 8 hours and it was there with light meals, it was there with heavy meals, it was there. However, it did come off ever so slightly from the inner part of my lips. It is such gorgeous, it is such lightweight, it feels as light as air, as velvet, and also it gives you that blurry effect. Also the formulation doesn't get settled in your lip line, which is another great thing, and you will have to give it some time to settle down completely to make it 100% transfer proof and smudge proof. Once it is settled, it does not budge, you guys. Next one is Mars Popstar Mousse Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gilded, a very gorgeous rosy warm pink shade that is going to suit all skin tones. Now this is a very beautiful moussey air light texture that goes on evenly, has high pigmentation, and also it is matte and 100% transfer proof. It does not budge once it sets down, you guys, and it is very long wearing formula. And this one shade looks absolutely stunning, and I feel it is going to look gorgeous on this powder blue or any indigo blue kind of dress, and this entire lipstick just brightens my entire look, which I'm totally in love with. Next is Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink Lipstick in the shade Silky Sienna, a very gorgeous warm toned rosewood shade that is going to look flattering on each and every skin tone, and especially on me today. I did not had the need to use any lip liner because it looks such gorgeous on its own. I have pulled off the shade even on my bare skin and it looks equally beautiful, you guys. Now this shade in particular has some very fine shimmer particles that just adds a more glossiness. You can compare it to the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Liquid Lipstick, but I can say that it is much more comfortable than the Maybelline Vinyl Ink, because Maybelline one gives you a glossy finish but it feels sticky for really long time. This on the other hand doesn't feel sticky, and the glossiness is also very beautiful. However, it gets muted or it gets diminished by the time, but I can say that it is very much long wearing. Even with light to heavy meals, it did stay on my lips pretty well. I am totally happy with the formulation. It feels absolutely lightweight, very hydrating and moisturizing on the lips. Coming to the last one, has to be my favorite lipstick formulation from Romand, their Zero Matte Lipstick in the shade Sweet Pea, a beautiful cool tone fuchsia pink that is meant for brown skin. However, if you're deep enough than my skin tone, you'll have to pair it with a lip liner. It is a smooth, creamy formula that gives matte finish without tugging and pulling or drying out my lips. The lipstick feels absolutely lightweight, non-sticky, pigmented, and it goes on easily on the lips as butter. It gives me a very beautiful velvety matte finish with a blurry effect. You can totally use this lipstick as your sheer lip stain for your everyday wear, or as a full opaque lipstick. It does not contain any fragrance. However, with my oily meals here and there, it does come off very easily, but this kind of formulation is easy to remove and easy to apply. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative. If you did, you might like these two videos of mine. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I've mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.